In the previous lecture, we saw how to flip an image, and in this lecture, we are going to see how to rotate an image. So this was the code for flipping the image. Let me create one new file here, and I am name it rotate.py. You can name it, of course, anything. Okay, and the base code is going to be same almost. So let me copy and paste this entire thing in the newly created Python file here, and I am going to just change this to rotate, the variable name rotated image, in the output window also. Let me change it to rotated image. Okay, so like flip, in CV we have a function called rotate. So I'll write rotate here, and again I have to pass the parameter which I want to rotate. And here we have three types of rotation available in CV: rotate underscore 180, 90 degree clockwise, and counterclockwise. Let's start with 180 degree and see how it is rotated, how it looks after rotated. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is basically like we did in flip with zero parameter. Let's check 90 degree clockwise how it looks. So 90 underscore clockwise, so it will change the original image to 90 degree clockwise like this one. Okay, and let's change it to 90 underscore counterclockwise also. It was 90 or 180, let me just say. Okay, 90 underscore counterclockwise, and it will look something like this. Okay, so these three features are provided to rotate. So this is how you can rotate using the three functions. And that's it for this lecture. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.